Hi, I am your VR girl, and I know you like things easy and free, and you prefer not to read the description below. So that's why I have to say it here. So go get your free VR photo. It's easy, just put your email here at elasticavr.com. Now back to the best immersive travel and entertainment VR show. VR Kids, please, we need your help. Help us reach 50k subscribers. We will send you an email not immediately, but the same week. Just check the trunk and the junk. Check your junk email and make us a recognizable one. Put us in your star naughty list. Now back to the best immersive travel and entertainment VR show. We travel to the best beaches, and you will find the best highlights of the day here. Forget digital, go virtual. But if you like 2D video, no one can stop you. Because this is the only channel that can be seen twice in a different way. The same video is different when you choose to watch in VR or 2D video, or both in a nice pair. Just how I like it. We also cover the new best tech for VR, AI and AR at Elastica VR. We will unbox in a unique, different, and fun way new cameras, new tech we use, toys, collectibles and food. We will give you a real first impression from a real random VR girl. We are the original travel channel with the best next door VR girls. If you're starting here on YouTube or other video platforms, we welcome you. Disclaimer: our content is intended for an audience PG-13 and up. Your best new friend, the VR girl. I will give you data, tips and tricks for the VR kids. Info that maybe you didn't know. Like this. For example, did you know that 90% of channels on YouTube never get to 10,000 subscribers in their entire career